Okay, now let's work on composition of functions. And here we're looking for f of g of x and g of f of x. That's how we say these. So here we say f of g of x and g of f of x. Are you excited to do this? I sure hope you are. Let's start with f of g of x. So f of g of x. So note that g of x is the inside function right now, and that's this guy. And our outside function is the f of x, which is 5 minus 2x squared. So this is going to be 5 minus 2 brackets x plus 2. So the x plus 2 just basically becomes the x for the f of x function. That's what's happening here. And now at this point we can just basically expand and simplify. So we have 5 minus 2. Here we have x plus 2 times x plus 2, right? Because it's squared. And once I FOIL this and simplify, so once I distribute the x plus 2 times x plus 2, we're just going to get x squared plus 4x plus 4. Okay, now I can distribute the negative 2. So negative 2 times x squared, negative 2x squared, negative 2 times 4x, negative 8x, negative 2 times 4, negative 8. Now we can combine like terms, and we have these two here as like terms. So negative 2x squared minus 8x. 5 minus 8, negative 3. That's it. So this guy here is f of g of x. Now let's do g of f of x. So g of f of x. Okay, so our g function is just the x, and I'll put it in brackets here, plus 2. And our f of x is just 5 minus 2x squared. So this function will be slightly simpler. Now we can just basically break the brackets. So 5 minus 2x squared plus 2 will be just 7, right? 5 plus 2, 7, minus 2x squared. That's it. This is g of f of x.